That's not good in the video.
If your window gets broken like Josh, you want to make sure you clean out. Let me start over. You liked that.
No.
You liked it.
No.
Dude, Jet loved it.
I can see your fucking pants.
Yeah, that's his entire window. Vacuum that out because it'll make a whole bunch of little maraca noises while you're driving, and if you're into that, you're into it, but if you're not, then you're not. There's a lot of fucking glass in there, man.
It's making me cringe.
Zach, they could fucking pay you to do this shit.
Oh, there's more glass.
Oh, God.
That's my window, yes. Scratched is better than broken.
We've almost pushed all the glass out with the new window, which is why it now goes up and down beautifully. Other than that, it's fine.
Cool.
Yeah, we've officially installed the window and probably killed Josh's battery, so.